Okay, so this one teacher akan discuss the AdMaths homework. Actually, this was week 2 punya homework. How to find the object and image. Okay, so let's see this one first. Okay, for the first question, we are going to find the image. Kita nak cari image. Okay, always remember when you get function kan, whenever you dapat function, okay, let's say like this, fx equals to something dekat belakang. Okay, yang depan ni, the x, right, that is always your object. So the behind here, this thing is actually your image. Or you can also take this whole thing, the fx, that means your entire fx is your image. All right, you do that like. Okay, so now for soalan first, okay, the first question, we want to find the image for the object given. So what we do, we take the object and we ganti in. Okay, we substitute in. Okay, for example, 1a, okay, this is the equation. 9x minus 4. So we take the x and we ganti ke dalam. Okay, so like the first one, x is 2, right? Okay, so teacher put all the x, you ganti as 2. So 9 times 2 minus 4. So here 18. 18 minus 4, 14. Okay, the other one, x negative 1. So here we ganti negative 1. So 9 times negative 1 minus 4. So we get negative 9 tolak with 4, negative 30. Okay, A done. Okay, now teacher do B. B, fungsi dia 3x plus 7. Okay, so now we must ganti the object. The object is negative 4 and 5. Okay, so when x is negative 4, okay, negative 4 here, so 3 times negative 4 plus 7. Okay, so negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5. So this is your image. That means whatever you just got, apa yang kita dapat is actually what you just got. You got the fx. We just got the fx. Okay, the other one, we ganti 5. So here will be 3 darab with 5 plus 7. So 15 plus 7, 22. Okay, B done. C, we do here. Okay, fx, x squared plus 1. Okay, if x squared plus 1, just always remember, you must ganti the object in. So the first one, here the object is 3. So that means, here's 3, right? Okay, 3 squared plus 1. So 9 tambah 1, 10. Okay, the other x is negative 2. Okay, so you see teacher put in bracket that you always practice. If got power means, okay, ada kuasa, practice letak dalam bracket. Okay, make sure you put in bracket. Okay, plus 1. Because it gives you a different answer. So when you put in bracket, you see your calculator, you will get here 4. 4 plus 1. So it's 5. Okay, D. D, okay, the fx is 4x minus 7. Kan? Okay, so here, teacher going to ganti negative 2. Okay, so negative 2, 4, negative 2 minus 7. Okay, negative 8 tolak 7, negative 15. Okay, the other object here is 5. Okay, 5 will be 4 times 5 minus 7. So 20. Okay, 20 minus 7, 13. And then got one more here, 2.5. So even though this is decimal, never mind. Just ganti in only like biasa, okay? So F 2.5. 4 times 2.5. Okay, minus 7. What we get here? Okay, dapatlah 3. Alright, settle for D. Okay, the last one, E. E teacher do here. Gx The equation is 7 tolak 2x tolak 3x squared. Okay, so the first object, kita ganti the -1. So G -1 is 7 minus 2 times -1, 3 -1 square. Okay, here kita dapat 6. Okay, the other one, when x is 0, okay, G 0. 7 minus 2 times 0 minus 3 0 square. Okay, so here should be 7 only lah. Sebab yang belakang semua dah jadi kosong. Okay, then one more is 3. X 3. So G 3 ya. 7 minus 2 times 3. 3 times 3 square. So the square is only for the 3 dekat dalam. Okay, so here teacher get -26. Alright, so question 1 all settled ready. Okay, sekarang kita buat question 2. Okay, for question 2, okay, for each fungsi here now, okay, we are going to find object. That means we are going to find the x, nak cari x. Tapi image is given. So fx is given. That's how you must think first, right? Okay, let's look at A. Okay, 2A, let's start with A first here. Okay, so the first one, okay, teacher copy dulu. Fx, 2x, tolak 1. Okay, what is given here? Okay, we do the first one, 3. So where should I write the 3? Okay, the 3 I must write for fx. Okay, dekat mana my fx? My fx is here, right? So here lah teacher write 3. Like this. Okay, then from here kita cari the x. So I pindah the 1 in front. So dia jadi tambah kan? Okay, so 4 lah. Okay, then I pindah the 2 in front. This one, some students, you want to tolak, cannot because the 2 and the x dia together. Kalau anything is attached together, that means it's darab. So how to pisahkan them? So you bahagi, okay? You divide. So 4 divide 2. So you see, you got your x ready here. This is the object. 2. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, the second one, fx is given as 5. Okay, so teacher ganti. Okay, 5 sama dengan 2x minus 1. Okay, you ganti the 5 at the fx place. So again, I move this to the front. So 5 plus 1. Okay, here teacher gets 6. So I have to move the 2 kan? Because the 2 is attached. So bahagi here. So we get the x ready or not? So the x is 3. So A settle. Okay, now B teacher do at the bottom here. Okay, B, let me copy down first. Fx is 5x plus 7. Okay, the first image is -1. So teacher ganti -1. Where to ganti? Ganti the whole thing. This whole thing will be -1. Alright? Okay, now move the 7 in front. So -1 minus 7, correct? Okay, here we get -8. So where should I move the 5? In front also, so becomes bahagi, correct? So -8 bahagi 5. Can bahagi? Cannot bahagi? So this is your answer. This is the, usually the final you write like this lah. Okay, you write the X dekat bahagian kiri. Alright, that's like how you usually should write. Okay, B done. Okay, another one is they gave here -3. Okay, so I must ganti the -3 as the image. Okay, that one teacher do down here. -3, that's the image. Then I copy down the equation 5x plus 7. Okay, then we move. Okay, so if I move, dia jadi tolak. Okay, here teacher get -10. Okay, then move the 5, so becomes bahagi. Bahagi 5 here. Okay, so what am I getting for my x? X is -2. Okay, settle ready. So B is done. Okay, C. Okay, C, I copy down first. Hold on. C, teacher do here. Fx, x squared plus 9. Sorry, x squared plus 5. Okay, the fx sama dengan 9. Another fx is sama dengan 21. Alright. Okay, so we do the first one. Okay, we take 9 equals to x squared plus 5. Okay, move the 5 ke depan. So dia jadi tolak, becomes minus. So 9 minus 5, correct? Okay, so here, what you get? 4. Okay, now see this carefully. Okay, this is the part. Some students like, you feel confused already, correct or not? Okay, you are supposed to move. Gerakkan kuasa 2 ke belakang. Okay, so when teacher move kuasa 2 ke belakang, it will become punca kuasa, correct? Square root. Okay, when you do square root, you must put plus and minus. Bila kita buat punca kuasa, mesti letak plus and minus. So, you will actually get 2 jawapan here. Positive 2, then the other one, negative 2. So, you got 2 images, 2 image. Okay, now for the other one, 21. Okay, for 21, the same thing. The teacher ganti first, 21 for the fx. Okay, x squared plus 5. Okay, move ke depan. So becomes minus. Here we get 16, isn't it? Yeah, 16. Okay, so x squared equals 60. So the kuasa 2 we pindah, we move. So when you move, you get square root of 16, put plus minus. Letak tambah tolak. Okay, then from here, what will it happen? It will become plus minus 4, correct? So actually, you got 2 objects. Oh, sorry, just not the x here is object. You have 2 objects. So remember, whenever you get x, that means that is the object. Itulah yang kita cari object. Okay, clear? So I hope this one C okay. I think when teacher mark, banyak juga yang you overlook this. Okay, the last one, D. I copy down first, D. Fx equals to, is it 1 over x minus 5? Okay, the first one, negative 1, then 3, 5, and 7. Negative 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so first, see okay, this one, okay, you ganti negative 1 kan for the fx. Okay, then what happens? Okay, see, can I just take the 1 and move up? Cannot, because they are like a fraction, isn't it? It's like in fraction, so you cannot do that. Boleh tak teacher ambil x only and go there? Cannot also. Can I take the 5 only? So go there becomes plus 5. Cannot. So what you must do? You must actually bring this whole thing go up. Sebenarnya. Okay, you bring the whole thing go up. Sebenarnya, if you see, if actually you look at this, I teach you a clue here how to see. Okay, if down here got equation, up here got number. Ada apa ni? Nombor sahaja. Only number. That means no letter, nothing. You can actually exchange. Faham tak? Boleh tukar tempat. You can do this. So, here actually will become like this. X minus 5, it goes up. Negative 1, dia turun ke bawah. Like, you tukar the tempat. Boleh. Alright? So, please make sure after this, you start recognizing this up. So, here what we get. This one, 1 divide negative 1, negative 1. Correct or not? Okay, bawa ke belakang. So, negative 1 plus 5. So here x we get it 4. Right, so this one done. Okay, next one is 3. Okay, so here teacher ganti the 3 first. Okay, 1 over x minus 5. Okay, what should I do? Okay, I'm going to change place. Boleh tukar. Can change here. So, because the 3 is just number only. Okay, number sahaja. If suddenly there got x means, so you don't do that. Contoh here in front got x. Then you don't change. Wait first. Don't change the place. Okay? Okay, so x minus 5, it goes there. Okay. Here will be 1 over 3. Then you move the 5 go behind. So dia jadi tambah 5, correct? Okay. So 1 over 3 tambah with 5, teacher get 16 over 3. So this will be your answer. Cannot simplify, so we leave it like that. Okay, next one. Fx is 5. Okay, 5, the same thing. Okay, kita tukar tempat first. We change the place here. This one goes up, 5 comes down. So 1 over 5. Then the 5 moves to the back. So 1 over 5 plus 5. Okay, 1 over 5 plus 5. Teacher get 26 over 5. See? Easy, right? Okay, the last one, 7. So you ganti the 7 here for the fx there. X tolak 5. Okay, then we change place, tukar tempat. So the x minus 5 naik ke atas, 7 turun ke bawah. Pindah the 5. So it becomes 1 over 7 plus 5. So dapat 36 over 7. Inilah objek dia. Selalunya we don't write in perpuluhan because the perpuluhan is too long. If the perpuluhan is very short, then tak apalah, boleh. Okay, tapi we just leave it as pecahan lah. So this should be the answer for your homework. Alright, so double check your homework. Like which one you all get wrong. Okay, for my students, you double check and please do the correction. Alright? Okay. If you're done, means you just let me know in the comment here. Teacher, I'm done with the correction. Okay?